FYI NordVPN 2021 Black Friday deal, best price since 2017. It's that time of the year when NordVPN launches its Cyber Month and Black Friday discounts, and they really want to make them special this year. Spoiler alert, this is the cheapest 2-year plan since 2017, so they definitely hope that users appreciate Nord wanting to give them the best possible offer. More information about the NordVPN 2021 Black Friday deal. The campaign starts on October 27th and is scheduled to end on December 1st. This also marks the beginning of 2021 Christmas. More accurate timeline of the campaigns: Black Friday, October 27th to November 29th, Cyber Monday, November 29th to December 1st. Key message: save 72% this NordVPN 2021 Black Friday deal, the best deal of the year. All the promo assets will be available here on the 28th of October. From October 27th, the price for Nord's 2-year plan will be $79 or $3.29/month, offering users a juicy 72% discount. After the offer, the price will increase to $89 or $3.71/month, which is only 68% off.